like that. Like that. It's like easy as hell. For you guys, ready?
You playing 3008. What you doing, bro? Ew! Right! There's no one in there. Oh! Whew.
Last time, that one mod. Was that Kel? Or was that the other guy?
It was Kill. That's how many video. That's how many views went.
Base powder.
The whole fucking.
Okay.
Damn.
I did not even take that.
Thanks, Burpy. Hey, yo, Steve Baller, watch out. Second acorn. Seven's coming for you. He's landing on.
Research, and it was soon time to apply for the possible
Yeah, I can taste the jalapenos. Damn.
Right here, right here.
Shit. There you go. Delicious.